So it's May 25th. We have my lemon guava here. It just recently split before ripening. We had a lot of sun a couple weeks, and then this whole week here is a lot of rain. So with this, the inconsistent watering, overwatering over this point, has caused a split into my lemon guava. So I know it's not right, but let's give it a shot and try it. It does taste like guava. So good. The reason why I grow this type of guava is the standard. Oh, my baby wants it. The standard does not ripen. It is, imagine a golf size guava like this ripening in Washington. You're gonna need a lot of UV light and fertilizing, and it's just I haven't heard of anyone ripening a tropical guava, Gulf side I'm in. This is also a tropical guava, but I call it subtropical because it can ripen in our Washington zone, along with strawberry guava. But the other Gulf side type of guavas that you've seen sold maybe in Home Depot or something locally, good luck ripening it. If you say you're growing it just for a guava tree, then yes, you can have a guava tree. It's just you grow it because of the fruit, and it's not gonna fruit like this. This is in the flowering stage as well as setting fruit, and I figure fruit's gonna ripen about August, September at this point. Obviously that was my first one, but it split, and if it split, I usually pick it off because it's gonna attract bugs and stuff, and there's no point of keeping it on to waste energy. So I hope you enjoy this quick video on lemon guava.